Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Hyundai Elantra headlight. First, make sure your car is completely off and the engine is cool to the touch for safety. You'll need a new headlight bulb, typically an H7, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by locating the headlight assembly, which is usually found behind the front bumper cover. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to the headlight. Carefully remove any plastic clips and screws that hold the top of your bumper cover in place. Once these are out, gently pull the bumper cover back just enough to access the headlight assembly. You don't need to remove the entire bumper. Next, locate the electrical connector at the back of the headlight and carefully unplug it. With the headlight unit accessible, it's time to replace the bulb. Depending on your specific Elantra model, you'll either twist or unclip the old bulb from its housing. Be careful not to touch the glass of your new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Firmly insert the new bulb into the assembly, ensuring it's seated correctly for proper light projection. Finally, let's put everything back together. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new headlight and carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its position. Then, realign the bumper cover and secure it with all the clips and screws you removed earlier. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to ensure everything is working correctly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. You've successfully replaced your Hyundai Elantra headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.